Hi all, welcome back to my health coaching program. Today we are on section 6. The topic of our section is called Reduce Your Waste. Well, let me ask you a question. Do you know which number in our body, in our whole body, is the most important number that doctors and scientists has discovered? Is it our weight? Is it our blood pressure? Is it our age? What is it? You can guess. Yes, the answer is actually our waist size. So that's why this topic called Reduce Our Waste. So inside this session, doctors and scientists is going to tell you the reason why our waist size is the number one most important number and why this number can affect so much of our health to the point that we really have to get our waist size in a desirable number. So inside this session, you're going to find out what are the ways we can reduce our waist size. So I hope you enjoyed this session because this is actually a very important session as we all need to control our waist size, which is also called a toxic waste, by the way, which is not a good news, but there are ways we can help to reduce our waist size. So guys, don't forget to fill out your worksheet. There's a challenge activity you can do in this session, and also fill out the discussion forum online, and also our weekly phone sessions with me. Well, as always, thank you so much for all your hard work, your dedication, the question that you asked, and just being active in the class. I really enjoy communicating with all of you and coaching all of you. So I will see you guys in session 7. Have a good week all. Bye-bye.